Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Foxit PDF Reader on Windows in 2026. First, open Foxit PDF Reader on your Windows computer. To open a PDF file, click File in the top left corner, then click Open, select your PDF file and click Open. You can scroll through the document using your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right side. To zoom in or zoom out, use the plus and minus buttons at the bottom of the window, or press Ctrl plus the plus key to zoom in and Ctrl plus the minus key to zoom out. If you want to search for a word or phrase, press Ctrl plus F, type the text you want to find and press Enter. To highlight text, go to the Comment tab and click Highlight. Then drag your mouse over the text you want to highlight. You can also add notes by clicking Note in the Comment tab and clicking anywhere in the PDF. To rotate the view of a page, go to the View tab and use the Rotate View option. If you want Foxit to read the PDF aloud, go to View, then Read, click Activate Read, and choose Read Current Page. When you finish editing or annotating, click File, and then Save to save your changes. That's it. This is the easiest way to use Foxit PDF Reader on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.